It's crazy to think that Amazon, a $1 trillion company, made a huge mistake and sent out a newsletter that was written poorly, that scared everyone, that had people going crazy about product packaging inserts. Don't worry, 24 hours later, they corrected it, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down product insert requirements, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down product insert requirements. So a few days ago, Amazon sent a newsletter saying product inserts, these guys that you have in your product packaging, are completely against terms of service. You can't ask them to write a review, period. 24 hours later, they correct it, which I will show you guys what they corrected, and they say it's okay. But what is okay, what's not? So I just want to clear the air a little bit and help you guys make sure that you're not breaking terms of service so that you aren't putting your account at risk, your products, all the money and time that you've invested in your Amazon FBA business. This is very important, so make sure to stick around, watch this entire video. And if you guys are enjoying, leave a thumbs up, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to the video, so let's dive into it. Okay, so here we are inside my screen. This is the video that I just posted a few days ago, breaking down the Amazon FBA newsletter that basically said you can't have thank you card inserts that ask for a review, period. Whether it's a positive, negative, 1-star review, 5-star review, you can't ask for a review. So that concerned a lot of people. I made this video kind of breaking down how Amazon's terms of service said one thing, their newsletter said another. And sure enough, 4 hours after me posting this video, Amazon sent an updated newsletter basically correcting their mistake. So let's kind of show you guys exactly what their mistake was. And right here, as you guys can see, October 31st, they sent the newsletter, and that's where everyone got super scared. And maybe it was like some Halloween prank. They were trying to scare people. I don't know. I mean, it was literally one word that they messed up on. And as you guys can see, it says, we want to remind you that Amazon's policies prohibit box inserts and product packaging that direct customers to write a review. So clearly, whether, like I just mentioned, a 1-star review, 2-star review, 5-star review, positive review, negative review, you can't ask for a review. And so that scared a lot of people, and rightfully so. So a day later, they corrected it, and the only thing that they changed, literally one word, they said write a positive review. So this is something that we've known for quite some time. You can't have thank you cards asking for a positive review. You have to ask them for their honest feedback, honest opinion. You can't ask for a 5-star review in any way, shape, or form. So that is very clear right there, and I'll show you guys in their terms of service where that says. But in the next line, this is where a lot of people are breaking terms of service, and I just want you guys to be aware of this. And if you are breaking Amazon's terms of service, it'd be a shame to get shut down for doing something so simple and so silly. So just please make sure that you're not doing this. And if you're looking to create a thank you card insert, just make sure that you're not including a 5-star review, asking them to leave their positive feedback, and then doing this right here. It says directing customers to contact you instead of leaving a negative review on Amazon is also prohibited. So what happens is a lot of people, they say, hey, leave a review if you're happy here, but if you're unhappy, go and send me an email here and we'll make sure that you're 100% satisfied. Now, that's a great idea. Amazon doesn't like that, and what happens is you're diverting traffic. You're saying, hey, positive review here, negative review, go here. Amazon doesn't want that. They want their honest opinion, whether it's negative, whether it's positive. So just be careful with that. And I'll just show you guys very briefly some examples of this. And on Fiverr, they're all over the place. So that's how you create thank you card inserts. At least that's the easiest way. It's the cheapest, most effective way. So if we go over to Fiverr, you basically go in and you just type in Amazon thank you cards, and you'll have like 5 billion come up, and for $5 you can get a thank you card design. So let's find one real quick. Yeah, right here. So it says, thank you for your purchase, their logo. And then right here it says happy, unhappy. If you're happy, leave a review here. If you're unhappy, then send me an email. That's 100% against terms of service. And what's crazy is a lot of these, the majority of the designs on Fiverr are exactly that. Unhappy, happy, 5-star right here. It shows the 5 stars. Don't include any stars whatsoever. Don't include any hints that you're trying to get that customer to leave a positive review. If you are, that's against Amazon's terms of service. So now let's go over to Amazon, their guidelines, their review policies, and just kind of show you guys what you can and can't do. So one thing that I've come to know with Amazon is when they make announcements, when they have something set in stone and they get bad press about, for example, the reviews, they take it very seriously. Now, there's a lot of manipulation. They're working on it. But just because someone is doing it doesn't mean that you can too. So that's one thing that you guys need to be very careful about and cautious, because if you basically go against their terms of service, it says that you can basically get your account suspended, you can get your products removed. I mean, here's the list right here, and if you guys want to read this, just type in customer product reviews right here in the search bar, and then this will come up. But right here, these are violations to customer review policies. And some of them don't have to do with the thank you cards, and some do, but these ones are the main ones that have to do with the thank you cards. So right here, it says a seller diverts negative reviews to be sent to them or to a different feedback mechanism, while positive reviews are sent to Amazon. So exactly what I was showing you, happy review, negative review, one says send me an email, the other says go to Amazon. You can't do that. The next thing is what we already know right here. It says a seller inserts a request for a positive Amazon review or an incentive in exchange for a review into product packaging or shipping box. So a positive review, and then another thing that a lot of people do is, where is the example right here? They have a little thank you card insert that says free gift. Go to this site and claim your free prize, enter in your email, go through this whole sketchy process, and I've done this on this, and it asks for all this information, and then at the end of it, it says, hey, you can have this gift if you leave us a 5-star review. That's incentivizing customers to leave a review, and that is 100% against terms of service. And a lot of people do this because they're trying to collect emails, or of course they're trying to get more reviews, and a lot of people do that. And I mean, basically every product, I mean, I have 3 of them right here, 3 products that I ordered for my trip that I'm leaving on Saturday. All of them came with these thank you card inserts, and all of them are against terms of service. One of them that I ordered just it was a few months ago, was these Hercules grips. It was basically the thing to get your grip strength, and this one is honestly hysterical reading. It's super funny. It's literally the perfect example of a bad thank you card that is against terms of service. It's diverting traffic, saying leave a positive review here. Not satisfied, go to this email. It says we are committed to our 100% customer satisfaction. So if you find that you are not 5-star happy, it literally says 5-star happy with us and our products, then please contact us at their email. And then on the front, it also says to join here, sign up, enter in your email address, and click your 10% off coupon code. You can't do that, period. This is as against terms of service as possible. So if this is you, make sure to correct it and not to have any of those things. Just have a simple thank you card. There's no sense in doing it to this extent, because you're only asking to get shut down, and it's going to hurt you more in the long run than you think, okay? So don't do that. Let's dive back into the terms of service real quick and kind of touch on a few other things. So right here, we talked about the seller diverts negative reviews, and then it asks for a positive review. You can't do that. Another thing right here, this is answers to questions about product reviews. It says, can I offer a voucher or a free gift? It says we do not permit reviews that include any of the following: payments, including money or gift cards, refunds or reimbursements, including through non-Amazon payment methods, a free product. So right here, it's saying go here for a free gift for a free product, and they're going to ask for a review. You can't do that. It says entry to a prize drawing or competition, discounts on future purchases. So right here, saying enter in your email for 10% off future purchases. You can't do that. And then it says other gifts. So just make sure that your thank you cards don't have free gift, 5-star review, positive review, and email diverting traffic saying if you're happy, go here. If you're happy, go. If you're not happy, go here. Don't have any of that. Just keep it simple. And I'll show you guys some quick examples of some good ones and some bad ones. So let's go. I made a PowerPoint, and right here, this is the one, happy, unhappy. You can't do that. Your free gift, you can't do that. Right here, it says thank you. If you enjoyed the product, could you please log in your account, your orders, leave a product review. Things are great until it says, and then leave us it's not saying 5-star positive, it's just showing 5 stars. But that's okay, right? No, you're asking for a 5-star review. You're clearly saying here is 5 stars, leave a review. This really helps us out. Then, not to mention, it says if anything at all is wrong with the product, please contact us first at their email. You can't do that. Here's another one, unhappy, happy. And then this is an example of a good thank you card, and this is exactly what you guys should be doing with your thank you cards as well. Right here on the left, it says, why did we start? And then it has the company name, and it basically gives them a rundown of why they started the company, and basically what, giving them a quick little message. And this shows when the customer receives this, they're like, hey, this is a legit couple, this is a legit company, like actual people, and they can relate to that. So that's what you want to do there. Then on the back, it says, we'd love to hear how you used our leaves. I'm not sure what product it is, but the leaves. Getting this info helps us compete with large corporations. Best way to do so, click Amazon, click orders, find your purchase, and then it says write an honest review. Doesn't say write a 5-star review. It doesn't say 1-star positive review. It just says here is my, just write an honest review. This is 100% compliant with Amazon's terms of service, and this is something similar to what you guys should be doing as well. On my thank you cards, I don't necessarily have the story. Mine is very, very simple. I have my logo, I have thank you for your purchase, and then it says we'd love to hear your feedback, and we'd love it if you would share your experience with other Amazon customers by leaving your honest opinion on, by clicking right here to leave a review. It's very simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things, and the funny thing is if you're banking on things like this of just getting a bunch of reviews all at once and trying to avoid these 1-star reviews as much as possible, that's not the best long-term strategy, because the reality is there's a lot more important things than a thank you card insert. You should probably focus on other details like your product quality. Product quality is going to get you 5-star organic reviews. If your product is the best top-notch quality, then you're going to get 5-star reviews. You aren't going to get 1-star reviews. It's when you're trying to bank on thank you card inserts and cheap products to avoid these negative reviews, that's where it's just a disaster waiting to happen. So focus on things that are a little bit more important, like product research, product quality, how are you being different, how are you standing out from your competition, how are your product images, how is your product title, description, and bullet points. That is what sets you apart. And things like this, it's not worth getting shut down for to get a few reviews. Because the reality is how ask yourself, how many times have you ordered a product, got a thank you card insert, and how many times have you actually left a review? Probably not that many, maybe 1 in 100 or maybe none at all. For me, I just look at them and I'm like, oh, well, this is against terms of service, throw away. And talking to other customers that aren't sellers, they look at this and it's pretty, like, wow, this is pretty bold and I don't like this company, I don't like that vibe, and they throw it away, and it may lead to a negative review even though they're trying to get a positive review. So there's a lot of things that can go wrong, and I just want you guys to make sure that you're being 100% compliant. Like I said, it's not worth getting your account shut down for something so stupid when there are a lot of other things that are more important. So have that in mind. If you have a thank you card that is against terms of service, get it corrected, and on that next order, just fix it. And I hope everything works out for you and that you don't get shut down and you get things fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and then check out the links in the description down below. I have the free 45-minute training where I break down my top 3 secrets. I have the free Amazon Champion Facebook group, completely free. You guys can ask your questions there. There's a bunch of sellers there answering. And then I have the link to my full Amazon Champion course. So if you guys are stuck, if you guys want me to help you, guide you, mentor you, help you verify products, then check out that. I'd love to have you as one of my students and help you along your Amazon journey. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.